How to add device on Lorex app on your phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Lorex app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of home interface. Now, adding a device in Lorex app is a very simple process. Here in this home screen, you can see this plus icon. You can simply tap on it. From here, you can see different category of devices that you can add. You can choose from this list, or if you have the QR code of your device, here at the bottom you can see the scan QR code option. You can tap on it. It'll open up the camera app on your phone. From here you can scan the QR code in the device, or else you can manually enter the device ID too. Select this manually enter device ID option. From here you can enter the device ID that you want to add, and you can simply tap on next. Here in this space, you can select the category of device. Let's say if I want to add a device which is a Wi-Fi camera, so I just need to select this first option, and after that you can scan the QR code, or else as before you can manually enter the device ID. You can provide the device ID over here, and you can tap on next. So that's how you can easily add device on your Lorex app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.